On top of the screen, you will see the institution you're currently working at. You will see that you are in the rounding mode. The second mode you can use is that of Sign Out. When you click on Sign Out, MEDITECH allows you to create Sign Out for each one of your patients. Sign Out is essentially a set of comments that are time-stamped and identified as to the person who had placed the comment in the system. You can save these comments and make these comments available to other physicians looking after the patient. Sign-out comments are not part of the main health record and are not part of the legal e-chart. The patient can have multiple sign-outs, one between each of the group of specialists looking after the patient.